So the hair that I used is called Kima Braid in the texture Ocean Wave 20" and I used the color 1B.
So obviously my natural hair is relatively long in comparison to trying to do these little bitty micro braids. And what that means is that my natural hair is also out as well, because in comparison my hair is about, I guess, right here where the hair has only that much left, meaning this entire part my natural hair is out. So obviously I had to blow dry and straighten my natural hair. I straightened it on a very low heat because I didn't want it bone straight. And the reason why is because, for one, I didn't want any damage, any heat damage, and I also didn't want to worry about it being so straight that it doesn't blend. So I straightened it on 300 when I straightened it. And for the back, like, I've already done the back. And basically when I finished, I took some of my leave-in conditioner, put it in my hands, rubbed it through my hair, meaning the hair, the curly hair as well as my natural hair, and I rubbed it through, and then I immediately braided it, and wherever my hair stopped is where I added a rubber band. And basically I did that to the back on both sides since the back is done. That way it can dry in that same texture. It'll dry, and when I take it down, it'll all be a uniform wave. The hair is naturally wavy, but it'll help my natural hair blend in with the hair as well. So that kind of helps you get an understanding of how I'm blending my hair with this hair. Anyways, what I'm doing is obviously the micro braids, which I have done my edges already. I didn't do them super tight just because I don't want to have to worry about my edges coming out or anything crazy, but I do want a good, nice style that will last for quite a while. Obviously, what I'm doing is taking it and putting it in very small sections. So since my hair is straightened, it makes this process a whole lot easier than it normally would be. But I'll go ahead and part this right down here. And you want to keep these parts as clean as possible. I'm super good at parting my hair, so that's not really hard for me at all. But I know some people sometimes struggle with that. What I would advise is anytime you part, wherever you start from, put your finger at the bottom where you want to end at, and just go straight down. Then part it like that. That way, it'll more than likely it'll come out completely straight. That's how I always part. That's a trick that my cosmetology teacher actually taught me back when I was in cosmetology. So I'm gonna take a part. It's only about this big, so not very big at all. So I'll get the rest of this hair out the way for a second. Then the hair, it's naturally separated already because it's crochet hair. So I'll just take one of the pieces, and to make it all uniform, what I do is I take one of the pieces and I just split it in half. And so each of these are two different ones. So these are two different pieces. So begin my braid as normal, putting it right at the root and just braiding down. Now, when you first do this, it might start off a little loose. What I do, I let it go that way because I don't like my braids too tight, but I don't want it to look a mess. Like, I want it to look nice and uniform. So I start off like that, and then when I get about like right there, I'll take it and I actually push the hair up a little bit so it can be closer to the root, and then I continue my braid. I think I'll stop about here. This is pretty much where I've been stopping my braids. So obviously that's a lot of hair left out. So what we do is I'm gonna move my natural hair out the way with this piece of the hair. This one I'll take a small piece, only that size, and I'm basically going to wrap it around the braid, wrap it around and then I'm going to grab it and pull it through, just like that. And that's how I'm going to tie it off. Then I'm going to do it one more time just to make sure it doesn't come loose. Same thing, pull it through and tie it off. And that's pretty much it. So if you're not good at catching your hair, let's say your hair is shorter than mine or whatever the case may be, I don't know. Let's say you have a hard time actually putting the hair on it and getting it to braid down without it coming loose. Another thing that I can suggest is what you do is take your natural hair and twist it just a little bit at the root. That'll make it a lot easier to grip when you start to braid. So now that it's twisted right there, I'll go ahead and take the hair, put it onto my natural hair and begin braiding. And that way it is a lot easier to catch without worrying about it actually being too loose or coming down or anything like that. Generally when you do it like that, it's already pretty close to the root, but I still push it up just in case. Just a little bit, just to make sure it's as close as I can get it without it being too tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie it off. So obviously my natural hair is now sticking out, and so whenever you do that braid method, like I was saying with the leave-in conditioner, it will uniform the curls, which you all will see at the end. But I just wanted to show you how to do it first. Alright, so obviously my hair is completely finished. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is currently up in a ponytail, and this is how I'm going to be wearing it today. I'm going to be out for a little while, so I decided to put it up, and this is how I want to wear it. But anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, of course. Yes, I'm back. I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but I am back at least twice, maybe once or twice a week. I do sell cars, so my timing is, you know, a little short, but, you know, I am back. That's all that matters. Anyways, if you all would like to see any additional videos, anything you would like me to review, just reach out to me and I will try to do so. I will get back to you as soon as I'm able to do so. And once again, thank you for watching my videos and have a great day.